So morning team. Yeah, today is Monday and we have a very clean setup on BTC. So I want to analyze BTC together. And also this is a setup that we are going to take. We should take this setup if it gives us confirmation. So remember we use the SOP, standard operation procedure, and this is what we are going to use in all our trading in every aspect of our trading. So uh, leo tuko na BTC and I can see that BTC is doing very fine with our setups. And currently we are having, so let me start marking by the zones. So watu yangu hapa tuko na opportunities. First thing, tuko na support, previous support iliyocreatiwa on Saturday and Sunday. This was Saturday and Sunday. And as you can see, this is a daily support and price leo imerudi kwa support guys. So this is a very nice opportunity ya leo. Hiyo ni support. Also tuko na demand, this lead candle. So if I would press my drawings, nitachola the whole candle as a demand. Importantly iko na support, so tukichora support is the same, tuko sawa. So that is a daily support. Sorry for that. Daily support. So then tuko na nini ingine hapa juu? We had a resistance, tuko na resistance ambayo haikuwa broken. So tuko na hii resistance haijakuwa broken na bado tuko na another resistance ambayo imecreatiwa hapa juu. So first of all identify ile zone tunaweza buy from ni hapa chini. So this is the buying zone, we should buy here, and also we should look if there is opportunities for us to sell after the market comes here. So lazima tukue keen. So I told you when you mark as a daily zone you need to go and check what is available under the 4 hours. So mimi hapa I'm drawing this resistance here and seeing if price has created a zone that can trigger our sales ama ingetuma to sell last week. But currently we are concentrating on this buy, but I want we do analysis both sides, so tuone what are we expecting. So when we go to the 4 hours, nataka muone hivi, tukienda kwa 4 hours tulisema if we want to buy we find supply, no we find demand, if we want to sell we find supply. So hapa tumeshapata we didn't have any supply ya kusell from. You see guys, you can see here we didn't have any supply to sell from. So hapa is resistance ya kwanza, so price never gave us a supply to sell from, so that was we could not have done it. But saa hii tumepewa supply ya 4 hours hapa, so I hope you can see this, we have this supply ya, you see that is our 4 hour supply, na saa hii bado tuko na kwa hii support ya daily we have a 4 hour demand, we have a 4 hour demand. So this is demand and this is what we are concentrating on. So mimi I'm predicting to buy from this zone, and also when the market comes here we might also have some reaction to sell, but it will depend with the overall trade. But remember kwa daily time frame hatuna nini, kwa daily time frame tuko na price imecreate resistance but haija break. So meaning if we go to the daily time frame I'll show you what you can expect. I'm expecting the price to reach up to this level, so hii ndio itakuwa TP yetu when we want to buy from this daily demand. So this is what I'm expecting. Currently we said tukienda kwa 4 hours then tunaenda kwa 30 minutes. So if we go to the 30 minutes, so tukienda hapa kwa 4 hours we have already marked our demand, we have our supply, and then we go to the 30 minutes. We said we want to know where is liquidity. So guys, you can see that we are having liquidity at these zones. So this is inducement together with the liquidity. So hii zone yote ilikuwa liquidity before the market came to touch our zone. So this all of it is liquidity, and let me tell you now that tumesema TP yetu ni kwa hii zone. Unaona hii line, So if you want to buy BTC right now, we are going to do this. So the first thing we are going to do, guys, we have already understood the 30 minutes tuko na inducement na tuko na liquidity. Yeah, the market has tapped to that zone. So the next thing we are going to look is the final step for confirmation, which is, I hope someone can answer that, but let me do it. CRB on the 5 minutes. CRB on the 5 minutes. So sasa nitaruka kwa 5 minutes. Remember tumeshapata, alafu your stop loss should be below this demand ya daily ya 4 hours. And if you want to be secure, like if you have confirmation here and then your stop loss is $3, you see you can even make it 5 because the low of this daily zone, it is $5. So this is a very nice setup, guys, to get in. So mi naenda kwa 5 minutes immediately. I want to see something we call CRB under the 5 minutes, and already we had a CRB here after price tapping to our zone, and currently here it is. So guys, as I'm posting this video, I want you buy BTC light now, and your first TP should be from where the market is. Your first TP should be, it should give you 97 pips. So that is a very nice buy from BTC, guys. So sahi, if this candles crosses bullish, I'm going to give you a heads up to buy BTC right now. So your stop loss should be below the support of the daily, which tumeona it is a very little amount, 77. Your stop loss should be at 77,174, and your first TP should be at 78,664. So this is a setup, and as I'm posting this video, I'm pushing it to my VIP group so that you can see it. So that is it. So that is a very nice setup, guys, and if it plays out the way we think, it will be of help to us. So stop loss, we have said it is 77,175. Yeah. TP1, this is TP1. TP1 should be at around 78,664. So, but we are going to check if the market can have the potential to move higher. That is also a good setup. So as I post this video, guys, you can go into your account and buy BTC. Go and buy BTC, and that is what I'm expecting BTC to behave, because we have that daily support and the market should go back to the daily resistance. So thank you for watching. That is how the market is going to behave this morning before we find another setup. So that is what we're expecting. Then from there, we are going to analyze the market again and see what else are we expecting. So